Hello dear students, this is Vivek Vaibhav and you are watching lecture on manufacturing industry. This is new chapter of class 10th geography of ICSE board. So guys, in this video lecture we are going to discuss manufacturing industry and what are the location factors to establish any manufacturing industry, classification of industry on different bases and basically, in this uh, chapter, we are going to discuss Indian manufacturing industry, about core industry like iron and steel and electronic industry. Major thing in this chapter is that. So, guys, before I am going to start anything, what is manufacturing industry? What is the learning objective of this chapter? So, learning of this objective of this chapter is that we have to understand what sorts of manufacturing industry in our Indian Bharat and what sorts of uh, heavy industry, what sorts of industry running in Bharat and what is the basis of this industry. So first and foremost we have to deal with what is manufacturing industry. Okay, so guys, manufacturing industry is industry engaged in converting raw material into manufactured products or finished goods. Okay, as you know that there are so many types of goods in your at your home which is processed after processed of raw material you have to you can use easily. Okay, suppose you use sugar, it is processed by sugar cane. Okay, like that. So what is the location factors? There are so many location factors. A major location factors is that availability of raw material, capital, and market and transportation, and availability of water. Okay, these all are the things which is very necessary. But after this, anything which is important is power, labor, managerial skill, cost of land, machinery, and construction. So that all about this availability of raw material, power, capital, labor, managerial skill, markets and transport, the cost of land and machinery, construction, and availability of water. So classification of industry is the topic. So there are so many bases, different bases. This industry, manufacturing industry can divide different types. Like on the basis of raw material, we have agro-based industry and mineral-based industry. On the basis of nature of the product, we have two types of industry, like heavy industry and light industry. On the basis of size and investment, we have large scale industry, medium scale industry, and small scale industry. On the basis of management, we have public sector, private sector, joint sector, and cooperative sector. As you know that on the basis of agriculture, material, raw material, we have agro-based industry. We have so many industry like jute mill, rice mill, cotton mill, so many things made by agro products. So it is agro-based industry. Mineral-based industry like iron steel industry, zinc-based industry, copper-based industry, like that. On the basis of natural product, we have heavy industry and light industry. So in a heavy industry, we have iron or coal, petroleum products industry, and in the light industry, we have pharmaceutical, chemical, drugs industry, like that. Okay, on the basis of size and investment, we have large scale industry. In this we have very large scale of labor and skilled labor production is very large, and capital investment is very high in this industry, like iron, steel, and petrochemical industry. Again, medium scale industry, we have like investment is less and the employee is less than heavy industry, large scale industry, and also it is bigger than a small scale industry. So a small scale industry is an industry like having a small capital, less employee labors, and it is widespread, and it requires very small space. You can easily open this small scale industry at your home also. Okay. Then again, public private sector and the joint sector and cooperative sector. Okay. Public sector and private sector, joint sector and cooperative sector. We are going to discuss all the things in another video. Okay. Thank you so much.